Overpack with me for a long weekend in Nashville, but make it organized. Since I discovered packing cubes, I haven't necessarily learned how to pack less, but I have made it easier to maximize the amount of space in my suitcase and find specific items once I arrive at my destination. My favorite packing cubes are the compression packing cubes from Aerotrunk because I can actually use these packing cubes in two different ways. If I am trying to save space, I can use the compression feature, and if I have plenty of space and want to bring more clothes, I can use them as a basic packing cube and fit lots of clothes into one cube. Because I'm driving, I have plenty of space in my car, so my ultimate goal for this packing session is to simply get all of the clothes that I want to bring into each of my 6 Aerotrunk packing cubes. 3 of the packing cubes were able to be compressed, and the other 3 I ended up filling to the brim. Besides having the option to compress or not, I love how strong and durable the fabric is. I was able to fit so many clothes into all of my 6 packing cubes, and now I'm ready for a fun long weekend in Nashville without having to worry about what I'm going to wear. Aerotrunk's compression packing cubes are perfect for every packer.